Now we're going to solve problems involving probability distribution, mean and variance of probability distribution. So the first one is we're going to review first the formula for getting the expected value or the mean. It's the expected value is equal to summation of x times the probability of x, well the variance is this one, it's the summation of x minus mean squared times the probability, which is also, if you could simplify, this is also the formula for the variance. So to get the SD, all you have to do is to find the square root of the variance. So you square root of the formula, square root of the formula. So the first problem is there are 5 raffle tickets out of 1,000 released tickets which cost 100 pesos each. If you will be lucky enough, you will get a 32-inch LED television worth 15,000 pesos. You bought one ticket. What is the expected outcome? So we're going to solve for the expected outcome, which is also the mean. So to get this, what you're going to do first is you're going to make a probability distribution. So there would be x and p of x. So that's probability and the x. So what are the x? The x is the amount that you're going to receive. So the amount that you're going to receive deducted or deducted by the amount that you have spent. So for example, in this one, if you will win, so the amount that you're going to receive is 15,000 pesos. However, deducted by the amount that you're going to pay, if the ticket is 100 pesos each, so instead that you're going to receive 15,000, so what your profit is only 14,900. So instead of 15,000, you're going to get only 14,900. Why 14,900? Because 15,000 minus the amount that you buy for the tickets, which is 100. Next, if you lose, if you were not going to win, so you will lose 100 pesos. So because you're going to buy one ticket, so that's negative 100 because you're going to lose. So therefore you've lost 100 pesos. So it's because it's a loss, so negative. So the probability here would be out of, because there, how many tickets are there, it's 1,000. Out of 1,000, only one will going to win 14,900, or one person only will going to receive 14,100. So it would be 1 over 1,000, and those 999 would be the one who's going to lose 100 pesos, or 0.999 or 0.001. So that's the probability that you're going to get 14,900. This is the probability that you're going to get negative 100. So because it's a probability, you have the probability already. You could solve for the expected outcome. So the expected outcome is the mean, which is the summation of x times p of x. So these are the x, 14,900 times 0.14,900 times 0.0101 plus negative 100 times 0.999. So if you're going to multiply that, it's better that you're going to use calculator. But if you cannot use calculator, multiply this first plus multiply this, and you're going to get the answer. If you're going to solve this in the calculator, the answer is negative 85. So let's try. So 14,900 times 0.001, how many zero? Plus negative 100 times 0.999, the answer would be negative 85. So the expected outcome is negative 85. Because it's negative 85, therefore the expected outcome, if you're going to join the raffle, is a loss of 85 pesos. So because if you're, therefore there's a very low chance of winning, there is only a big chance that you're going to lose. So it's the expected outcome is negative 85. So if you don't have money, so it's better not to join the contest. But if you have extra money, you can join and expect to lose. So if you're very lucky, you will going to win 14,900 in a product or in television in kinds. So that's how you're going, what negative 85 means. So for problem number 2, senior citizens of a particular barangay organize a Christmas raffle bonanza. 1,000 raffle tickets are sold for 50 pesos each. Each one has an equal chance of winning. The first prize is a 32-inch LED TV worth 10,000 pesos. The second prize is an electric oven worth 5,000 pesos, and the third prize is a grocery pack worth 2,500. Let X denote the net gain from the purchase of one ticket. Letter A, find the probability distribution. Letter B, what is the probability of winning? And letter C, we're going to find X, capital X. So the first is we're going to do the probability distribution of X. So first is we're going to have this table X, and then the P of X. So these are the two things we need. So there are, in the first example, there's only one prize. The second example, there are 3 prizes. So what we're going to do first is we're going to have the 10,000 pesos. So the first prize is 10,000 pesos in TV, as a TV. So because it's 10,000 pesos, and how much is each ticket? It's only 50,000. So 50 pesos. So 10,000 minus 50, that's 9,950. So the first amount that you're going to receive deducted by the amount of the ticket is 9,950. So for the second prize, it's 5,000. So 5,000 bawasan ng 50. So 4,950. The second is 2,500. Bawasan mo ng 50. It's 2,450. And if you lose, you're going to lose 50 pesos. So what's the probability? Next, the probability. The probability of getting 9,950 is 1 out of, how many tickets are there? 1,000. So 1 out of 1,000. For the what's the probability that you're going to win the second prize? That's also 1 out of 1,000. Isa lang ang mananalo for 9. For third prize, isa rin ang mananalo. So 1 out of 1,000. For the negative 50, ilan ang natalo? So out of 1,000, ang matatalo ay 997 or 0.997. This is 0.001, 0.001, or 0.001. So that's the probability distribution. Letter B, what is the probability of winning? So the probability of winning, we're going to have one result. So what's the probability of winning? This is you win if you get first, second, third prize. So what's the probability that you're going to win? All you have to do is add the probability of winning. You're going to add only the probability of the first prize, the second prize, and the third prize. So 1 out of 1,000 plus 1 out of 1,000 plus 1 out of 1,000. So the result will be, copy the denominator 1,000, add the numerator 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 3 out of 1,000. So that's the probability that you're going to win. So 0.03. So that's a small chance of winning. So out of 1,000, you only have 3 chances to win. For letter C, we're going to find the capital letter X, which is the probability or the net gain or the expected outcome. So if the expected outcome, the formula is 9,950 times its probability 0.001 plus the second x 4950 times 0.0101 plus 2450 times 0.001 plus negative 50 times 0.997. So type this in the calculator so that it would be easier. So 9950 times 0.01 plus 4950 times 0.00, sorry, 01 plus 4950 times 0.001 plus 2450 times 0.001 plus negative 50 times 0.0997. So the result is negative 32.25. So negative 32.5. So that's the expected outcome. So the expected outcome, because it's negative, so you are expected to lose 32.5 pesos. So that's the expected value, negative 32.5. So if you don't have 32 pesos in your pocket, so if you need 32 pesos, it is better that you're not going to join the raffle ticket. But if you have extra 50 pesos, so you may join, but do not expect to win because the expected outcome is negative 32. So therefore the expected outcome is to lose 32.5 pesos.